This is what you do when you lose a crankbait. Ugh, in a tree. Whew. Especially if it's your favorite crankbait. Oh, yes. Oh. I got it. Oh. I just could not say no to this guy. There was no way he was staying in that tree. Whew. Yes. Haha. Got me a little guy. Check him out. Not bad. A little finesse fishing. Senko on a small little jig head. This is a girthy fish. Oh man, you are a chub. Oh man, I wish I would have gotten that fight. Look at you. You are a nice fish. Oh man. Oh yeah. Look at that. This fish fought me for like 3 minutes. All over the place. That is a chubby fish. Oh god, this has got to be a nice 3-pounder. Time to let this guy go. Later, buddy. Woohoo! Look at that, you guys. Roberts Lake. Oh, I got a nice one. Beautiful fish. I didn't get the fight on camera, man. That's a nice bass. Take a picture of this guy. Yeah. Let you go, buddy. Oh, quick release. Gotcha. Sorry, dude. Looks like he's been eating some craws. Let you go. Yes. Ha ha ha. Got a little guy on the crankbait. Not too shabby.